How to auto log in on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down in here and click on Log Out. After you click on Log Out, you'll find this kind of screen, which is Save Your Login Info. Click on Save. After you do that, press on Log Out. After you're logged out of your account, when you try to log in, you can simply click on your profile in here and it will auto log in on Facebook. This is how to auto log in on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.